Life doesn't always go the way we expect. Sometimes situations fall apart, and sometimes they test our patience, our resilience, and even our hope. But here's the truth: you can't always control what happens to you, but you can always control how you respond today. I want to share with you 10 life-changing tips that will help you accept any situation and then transform it into your greatest strength. Acknowledge reality without resistance. The first step to change is acceptance. When we deny reality, we suffer twice, once from the situation itself, and again from our resistance. Instead of asking, "Why me?" ask, "What can I learn from this?" Acceptance doesn't mean giving up. It means recognizing the truth so you can take back your power. Shift from victim to creator. Life is not happening to you. Life is happening for you. The moment you stop seeing yourself as a victim and start seeing yourself as a creator, your perspective changes. Every challenge becomes an opportunity to build resilience, courage, and creativity. Focus on what you can control. So much energy is wasted on things we cannot change. Stop trying to control other people, the past, or circumstances beyond your reach. Instead, channel your energy into what you can control: your actions, your mindset, your next step. Reframe the situation. Every situation has two sides. It can be a setback, or it can be a setup for something greater. When Thomas Edison failed thousands of times before inventing the light bulb, he didn't see failure. He saw feedback. You can reframe any situation by asking, "How is this working in my favor?" Take small, consistent action. Transformation doesn't require giant leaps. It requires consistent small steps. Whether it's improving your health, your career, or your mindset, the compound effect of daily actions will change your life. One small habit done consistently is more powerful than a massive action done once. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment shapes you more than you think. If you're surrounded by negativity, complaints, and excuses, you'll adopt that mindset too. But if you're surrounded by people who uplift, challenge, and inspire you, you'll rise to their level. Choose your circle wisely, because energy is contagious. Practice gratitude daily, even in the darkest seasons. There is something to be grateful for. Gratitude rewires your brain to see possibility instead of limitation. When you start each day by writing down 3 things you're grateful for, you shift your focus from what's missing to what's possible. Gratitude doesn't just change your mood, it changes your life. Learn to let go. Holding on to anger, regret, or resentment only chains you to the past. When you let go, you create space for new opportunities, new energy, and new beginnings. Forgiveness is not about saying what happened was okay. It's about freeing yourself from the weight that holds you down. Develop emotional resilience. Strong people are not those who never fall, but those who rise every time they do. Resilience is the muscle that grows when you face challenges instead of avoiding discomfort. Lean into it. Ask yourself, how can I use this challenge to grow stronger? Visualize the future you want. If you can see it in your mind, you can begin to create it in your reality. Athletes, entrepreneurs, and leaders use visualization because it activates the brain to move toward that vision. Spend 5 minutes each day imagining your ideal life in detail. Feel it, believe it, and act in alignment with it. Life will always present challenges, But every challenge is an invitation to grow, to evolve, to rise. Accept the situation, then change it. Remember, transformation begins the moment you stop fighting reality and start creating your future. These 10 tips are not just ideas, they are tools, and if you apply them daily, you won't just change your situation, you'll change your life. So ask yourself right now, are you ready to accept and then transform?